Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's Light Up Your Life topic, we'll talk about health benefits of smile. We know how smile is very important in everyone's life. If we see a smiling face, other people they want to talk to us. If now we are not in a good mood, other people they will be away from us also. So, a smile draws you to closer to others. Humorous behavior keeps a person positive in even in difficulties also. Most people search for good mood to get some pleasantness in leading their life. They want to engage their mind to get happiness also. Smile alleviates stress. A simple smile can bring out all positive emotions, even it is good in getting good social relations also. Happy situation prolongs our lifespan. Being as a person in a happy mood, it makes us to get creativity, to get inspiration to do our activities with interest also. Smile increases glow in face also. A smile helps in reduction of heart problems, other tensions, all these. That's why smile is very important towards our healthy life. In 1860, American philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson he gave one point. The first wealth is health, like that. He explained. Even Mother Teresa, in her words, let us always meet each other with a smile, for this smile is the beginning of love. Like that, we got that much value to the smile also. If we take the word smile spelling, yes, it gives some success. Being as a happy mood, there is a chance to get creativity, to get some active interactions, to get good mood, concentration, all these. That's why it suggests success also. M, by smiling, it gives some glow, attraction, like that. We got that much value. While smiling, there is some changes. Without observing, also, we may get it may be a muzzle, forehead, eyelids, all these getting some contacts by getting smile in their face. I, it boosts immune system. So that much importance we are having, like that. I is having L, it lowers our distress also. If we have any problem by doing some activities, then it gives some change in balancing the stress. E, it eases our anxiety and tension also. So, to get all these, it is very important. Smile is having that much value to be is a healthy person. In present scenario, we got that much value for laughter therapy also. Present day, some people are joining in this type of programs to follow that therapy to get good health also. Even some people they are keeping the this idol of laugher Buddha in their houses. Like that, we got that much value for a smile also. Dr. William F. Fry, a psychiatrist in Stanford University in California, examined that the physiological effects of laughter only. In he did this one in the late 1960s. He is a father of gelatology. That means the science of laughter. According to him, it laugh gives good physical exercise and reduces respiratory infections also. Like that, most of us present day we are choosing different activities to get some recreation, entertainment, all these. Even we are ready to spend more money to get this one in our mood also. By smiling, the brain releases tiny molecules called neuropeptides. that help in reducing distress. We know some of the happy hormones are there. The neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, endorphins, they are ready to play to get smile. Serotonin, it stabilizes our mood. If we get good mood, then there is a automatically we may get smile in our face. Dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter to feel pleasure also. Endorphins, it relieves stress. It is one type of a painkiller. Most of these researchers are telling it works as a painkiller also. Oxytocin works as a chemical messenger in the brain. So by getting all these points in our mind, it creates smile in our face also. Like that we got that much importance is smile in our health also. In planning of our life, giving priority for recreation is also one of the important one to get a happy situation in our mood. In that moment, some people they may show interest to watch some comedy shows, then planning their life to spend in nature, spending time with the pet dogs also gives some happy mood. Even not only with that one, it may be a food also boosts our mood naturally by eating some oranges, bananas, greens, maybe blueberry. This type of food, nutritious food make us to be healthy. If we are healthy, automatically we may get a happy mood. Then daily exercises, yoga, meditation, whatever possible for us, if we follow that one every day 5 or 10 minutes, like that only weekly planning of some recreation, there is a chance to get a happy mood. Then is there any irritating person? Better to avoid that type of communication. Even if you are not in a happy mood with a tired one, it is better to stop conversation with others. In that moment, there is no chance to lose your temperament. Then slowly you may get some happiness also. Like that, we got that much value for a smile to be as a healthy person. Most researchers are expressing happiness is good for health. If we take Mahatma Gandhi, how he expressed on happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Even Oxford University published the proceedings of Royal Society proved that laughter works as natural painkiller. It is known as a psychotherapeutic technique also. It helps to treat insomnia. Some people they may suffer with sleep disorders. But in smiling also we have to remember one point. Even if we smile without the reason, without the situation, it gives another meaning also. That's why is a normal healthy person they may behave in a right way. So, like that, not only giving good health, it enhances our problem solving skills also. It boosts the memory. So, we got more benefits with a smile in our health to get a good health also. Another one, if we follow all these to get the good situation, creating some recreation, it may be a planning of our life to get good mood, it gives chance to get smile on our face. If you have any doubt, my website address http colon slash slash nalini pelluru psychologist.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.